Hello everyone, welcome to Treflow Publisher. So in this video today, we'll be talking about another feature on the school management system. Yesterday we mentioned the student database and also the data entry form. Today we are going to be talking about the admission letter. As time goes on, probably we'll move to another thing. But let's say the admission letter template. Here is the admission letter template. You can see is a template actually, but automated. How do I mean? The admission number of a student has been entered, and that is why you are seeing this one here. So if you click on the drop down arrow here, you see is empty. That's because you have entered only just one admission number, and then the name of the person bearing this admission number is appearing here as the name of the student, and then the school name has been automated. If we move a little bit down, we will see the other aspects too. So when you are done verifying the details on the admission number that it resonates with that particular student, then you can print it out or save it as PDF. You can print it out or save it as PDF. Okay, so that's that about the admission number template. Sorry, admission letter template. Now let's go to the student EMIS table. The EMIS table is actually meant to show the class and the number of boys, the number of girls you have in your school. You know, probably you are asked from the Ministry of Education or anywhere at all to give them the general overview of the number of boys and the number of girls you have in your school based on their classes. You can always come to this EMIS table, and then you don't need to enter anything here. It's fully automated. You don't need to enter anything here. You will see the only person we entered that is in GSS2. The person is a girl, and it has been recorded here under girls, so you don't need to enter anything here. Okay, if you are going to enter something, I think the only thing you should enter is your school name, the local government, and then the state. Okay, that's the only thing you might need to enter when you come here, and then you just print it and give it to whoever is asking for it, or you save it as PDF and send it as soft copy to whoever that needs it or you need to give it to. All right, let's quickly talk about the class attendance register. Also, the class attendance register is where you mark the daily attendance of your students, now on this part, the serial number here, each of these serial number bears the class of the student. Like this CR now, this CR means crèche. The CR represents crèche, followed by KG1, followed by KG2, then move down to nursery 1, nursery 2, then to basic 1, basic 2, and then to GSS 1, 2, 3, SS 1, 2, 3. So all you have to do is, let's say for instance, I want to mark attendance for that child that I have entered that is in GSS2. I'll just come to this class to make it faster and easier. I'll come to this class. Can you see this drop down arrow here? I'll click on it, and then I'll deselect every other thing and select only the class where I want to mark the attendance. I'll click on OK. The list of that class members will pop up, and then I can mark the attendance for that day. So this particular student is the only record I have presently, so I want to mark the attendance. What today is Friday, right? This is July, not June. Okay, let me change this to July. And what's today's date? Today's date is it should be 4th of July. So I'll just put P here. P means present, but if the child is absent, I'll put A, and that is how to mark the attendance. When I'm done, another teacher can come here and select the desired class to mark the attendance also. And if it's just one person marking it, no problem. The person can just just to have that particular class handy, select only that class, mark the attendance, and click on Ctrl S to save. and you are good to go as far as marking to the attendance for that day is concerned. So the record is going to be kept. It has been automated on this side. So all you need to do is enter P for present, A for absent under the attendance register. And when you are going to another month, let's say August now, you change it just like I changed this one to July. You change that one also to August, to September, to October, and you are good to go. Like that, you notice when I changed the month, the date here also changed to conform with the month that we have chosen. And so that is how the attendance register works also.